The advantage of microwave cooking. The significant advantage of microwave cooking is that microwave cooking can keep more water-soluble vitamins in foods. This is because microwave cooking has a shorter cooking time and less cooking water, therefore, less water-soluble vitamins are lost in the cooking water. What is a microwave? Microwaves are electromagnetic wave radiation. Their wavelengths range from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, and their frequencies range from 300 MHz to 300 GHz. The frequencies of a microwave fall between the radio waves and infrared waves. Microwave lengths are shorter than radio waves but longer than infrared waves. What is a microwave in the microwave cooking oven? The microwave used in the microwave oven for cooking foods is an electromagnetic wave with a wavelength of about 12 centimeters with a frequency of 2.5 GHz. The microwave used in microwave oven cooking is remarkably selective. It primarily affects water molecules and other electrically asymmetric molecules in foods and cooking water. Therefore, the heating medium in microwave cooking comprises both inside and outside the foods when cooking water is used. This uniformly heating medium renders fast and even cooking results in the microwave cooking method. Shorter cooking time and less cooking water used in microwave cooking keep more water-soluble vitamins, and more other water-soluble nutrients in foods. This is the one advantage of microwave cooking compared to other cooking methods.